Welcome back, Carl Smith here, and it's great to see all your faces again. This week we're going to carry on looking at the HDR photography. So last week I explained and showed you how to do HDR photography, and if you missed that, there is a link in the description. But this week I wanted to go out and just take a load of HDR photos and show you just how different and versatile these photos can be. So living in Brighton, I went for a stroll along the seafront. So I hope you enjoyed that, and if you know anything about Brighton, you're probably thinking to yourself, you're so close to the pavilion, why didn't you go and take a photo? Well, if you've ever lived here, you'll get this. That's right, as usual, the pavilion was covered in scaffolding, so I thought, you know, let's go into the pavilion gardens and see what it looks like from there. Sometimes it's just not meant to be, eh? I'll try another day. But as usual, if you go out and take some photos, please tag me so I can see what you've been up to, and I will see you next week. If you have a photography question you would like answered in a future video, go leave me a suggestion in the comments, and once you've done that, hit the like and subscribe button, and then I will see you very soon.